Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. So this is a 1997 Sidekick. This is an all aluminum trailer. It is 8 wide. It is 7'6" tall, I believe. So full disclosure about this trailer, it definitely has had some issues in the past. It currently doesn't have any leaking issues, but it has had some leaking issues. It's been here. We've had some torrential downpours in the last 2 weeks, and the trailer's been here. We did some cleaning on it and things like that, so we wanted to make sure. The roof has been completely resealed, so we wanted to make sure that that indeed was correct, and it is. So obviously, I just wanted to say that out and up front. This would also be kind of a, how can I put this? A work in progress trailer. So clearly the interior's been redone. They did some nice things in there, but it is what it is. So here we go. 1997 Sidekick. Again, it has a lot of great qualities, but I'm gonna point out all the things that I feel like someone should definitely know. So it was red, shocker. It was painted black. So you can actually see where the red is coming through a little bit, as well as someone did touch-up paint with a flat black versus the correct black. So actually though, the trailer looks quite nice. It is a flashy trailer, but just wanted to put that out there that this trailer indeed was originally red. So it's got stainless across the top there and stainless back doors, and it does have a stainless back ramp. It is a 3-horse. It does have brand new tires, and they are the good Samson 14 ply. So I'm gonna point that out. It's got like a mudroom. It is not a mid-tack, so it's a mudroom. Second full disclosure on this trailer, the awning arm is bent, and that particular one cannot be replaced. So you'd have to put an entire new awning on this trailer, so we're throwing that out there. It needs a new awning. All right, it does have an electric jack, which is nice. 2 propane tanks. It does have 2 batteries. I'm gonna come over here on the other side. So back to the roof. It has been completely resealed. So just letting you know that. I'm not exactly sure the short wall of this trailer. I'm going to venture out and say about a 12 to 14. Probably should have had all my ducks in a row before I did the video, but here we go. It does have manger storage, and the manger storage does go completely through with 2 doors. So it does have 3 drop-down windows. They do not, I repeat, they do not have bars. So 3 drop-down windows, they do not have bars. Got the ramp down, but it is fully stainless as well. Got a nice mirror if you need one. So hey y'all. You can see my face. Hey y'all. All right, so 50/50 doors. It is a fixed rear tack. The rear tack does not fold flat. The rear tack does not fold flat. It has a poured in, I believe this is, I'm not 100% sure which floor this is. Maybe a worm, but it's a poured in floor, so no mats. It does have a lower divider. It does have padded dividers, and all that is in good shape. Now, the inside back here, they've used a composite. So it's like a composite that they've used for the interior of the horse box. Solid, doesn't have any issues. You'll see up above here where they have put the, it's fully lined and insulated, so where they put the insulated ceiling in this horse box, they used, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but they've rusted. So obviously I'm just pointing that out. It's very noticeable on this side. So the horse box is in excellent shape for 97. Really good shape. Does have roof vents. right. So this would be, like I said, a kind of a mud room. Place to take off your boots, hang your coats and whatnot. Now here's where we get into, like what I said, this trailer's been redone. So I don't believe, maybe there are parts and pieces of this that are factory. Clearly the flooring's not that great. I mean, they've just laid this down over top of the floor here. So, I mean, it doesn't look real pretty, but definitely functional. So I'm gonna go in this way. So it's got a sliding door here to the bathroom. The bathroom's in the middle. Has a good sized shower. And here is the rest of the bathroom. So it's got some really nice cabinets. Like I said, I mean, there's some really cool things in this trailer and about this trailer. Nice saddle rack there. Oh, saddle rack. Gosh, y'all. Towel rack. Thank you, Ashley. Neat little vessel sink. Kind of a decor mirror. So, kind of a squared off bathroom, but it definitely has cabinets, definitely has towel space. All right, and then that leads into the living quarters. As I'm walking right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this out there. The floor right here has got a soft place. I mean, it's not gonna fall through or anything. It's right here in front of the fridge, so just wanted to point that out. It's kind of hard for you to see that in a video, so I'm telling you. Again, the cabinets are really cool in this trailer. The counter's really cool. They've done kind of a home look with the countertops. It's got a microwave. It is a full living quarters. Everything functions. So it has a dinette and it has a jackknife couch. So it does have 2 sleeping spaces plus the bed up in the nose. You'll see that they've used blinds kind of like in a home. Oh, I didn't have that light on. That would have helped. Blinds kind of like in a home. They've done a little decor with some cowhide, and you've got little cowhide on the couch. Bed area. And I didn't get up there and cut, there's extra set of lights up there. Didn't get up there and cut those on. I don't want to make y'all sick with the video and me doing it now. All right, so I'm gonna kind of look towards the back. So, oh, big fridge was behind me there when I came through. A good sized TV. So rear kitchen back here. So as I said, you know, and the ceiling's definitely been redone. Not the best job, but again, it works. So this would be a trailer that's kind of unique. That's the word, unique. This is a unique trailer. If you need an 8-wide full living quarters, you know, this one's going to be priced accordingly as best we can. So this trailer is here on consignment for someone. I'll do the best I can on pricing, things like that. Okay guys, I hope that you could kind of tell. Let me open the door on this other side so you can kind of see inside with the light. You can kind of see. All right, so 1997 Sidekick. By the way, Sidekicks were great trailers. They're not made anymore, but they were great trailers, solid trailers. People that still have Sidekicks now today say they're great trailers. So 1997 Sidekick, 3-horse, 8-wide. Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. You have a great day.